Hit you.
Welcome back to part 4 of 4th of July fireworks. Nick is lighting one of those cool plane things again.
It hit the...
There it goes.
I probably can use that.
Okay, even more fireworks on the horizon.
I love fireworks.
My dad obviously has one of the weirdest laughs you will ever hear in your entire freaking life. See right there.
Alright, here, I need to fix a bunch of these satellites. So y'all do some sparklers while I'm getting these satellites ready. Oh, try it. See what those do. I don't know what. Is that little spinny thing?
I don't know.
Hey Taylor, let me see what it is.
There's a bunch of those. I think they maybe shoot out color.
Oh snap!
Oh, it is a spinner. Here, there's a couple of those. Y'all can do that.
Stupid Brandy, you almost killed us! You almost killed us!
Taylor's doing hers right now. Who wants one?
Taylor's lighting an unknown war machine.
Wow, that was magnificent. Yeah. On fire.
On fire.
What? Mine went up. Wait, which one?
You stepped on it and sparks flew out.
Which one's a spark?
Okay.
Oh snap.
Now, Brand's doing the same thing.
Yeah.
There we go. We don't really know what these are supposed to do.
Those are the ones that. That's the first one that flew up.
You want to try one?
It's like a satellite.
Yeah. Taylor, just smash it. Taylor, yours is still on
fire.
Taylor, it won't get caught on fire from a little spark.
Is it already like open?
Yes.
Rubber is flame retardant. Okay. So Taylor, is this a satellite?
Yeah.
Okay. Brandon, stand back. Okay. Brandon just shot another one of those
There we go.
mystery objects. Well, it looks like a mini UFO.
Done? No? Oh,
Done, no? Okay, Taylor's got a satellite. And there it goes.
Yes!
Whee.
Good. Successful.
Okay.
Where? Do you have one?
Right here.
Oh.
That one.
Okay. We're about to fire off another satellite. Maybe 2. Then that'll pretty much sum it up for part 4.
You went the wrong way! Oh, this is the wrong way!
And so Brandon is so stupid he can't even aim a firework the right way. He put it upside down.
Look, it's dark out.
And Taylor's lighting another satellite, which will be the finale. And so
Oh snap.
there it goes.
Whoa!
Oh. And so that's it for part 4. See ya in part 5 of 4th of July fireworks.